Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome to our comprehensive guide on some of the most effective back exercises. Today, we'll delve into the proper body positioning, sets, reps, and rest periods for each exercise to help you build a strong and impressive back. Let's dive right in. Exercise 1, Lat Pull-Down. This compound movement targets your lats, traps, and biceps, providing a strong foundation for a well-developed back. To begin, sit on the machine with your thighs securely placed under the pads. Grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your chest up and your shoulders pulled back. Initiate the movement by pulling the bar down towards your chest while squeezing your shoulder blades together. Lower the bar back up with control, maintaining tension in your back throughout the entire motion. For optimal results, perform 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. Rest for 60 to 90 seconds between sets to allow your muscles to recover. Exercise 2, Barbell Rows. This classic back exercise targets your lats, rhomboids, and rear delts, promoting overall back strength and thickness. Begin by standing with your feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, and grip the barbell with an overhand grip. Hinge at your hips to bend forward, maintaining a flat back, and let the bar hang in front of your shins. Initiate the movement by pulling the barbell towards your abdomen, squeezing your back muscles at the top of the movement. For effective muscle development, perform 4 sets of 6 to 8 repetitions. Take 90 to 120 seconds of rest between sets to allow your back muscles to recover adequately. Exercise 3, Dumbbell Rows. This unilateral exercise helps in correcting muscle imbalances while targeting your lats, traps, and rhomboids. Begin by placing one knee and one hand on a flat bench. Keep your back parallel to the ground. With your other hand, hold a dumbbell. Pull the dumbbell upwards towards your hip, keeping your elbow close to your body and squeezing your back muscles at the top. To achieve a well-rounded back, perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions on each side. Allow yourself 60 seconds of rest between sets. Exercise 4, High Row Machine. This exercise primarily targets your upper back and rear delts, helping you achieve that desirable V-taper. Sit on the machine with your chest up and your shoulders back. Grasp the handles with an overhand grip and pull them towards your upper abdomen, keeping your elbows pointed out to the sides. Squeeze your back muscles at the peak of the movement. For a strong upper back, aim for 4 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Rest for 45 to 60 seconds between sets. Exercise 5, Cable Pull-Down. This exercise effectively targets your lats and teres major, giving your back a wide and defined appearance. Stand in front of the cable machine and grip the bar with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Step back slightly, and with your chest up, pull the bar down towards your chest, leading with your elbows. Squeeze your lats at the bottom of the movement. For sculpted lats, perform 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions. Rest for 45 to 60 seconds between sets. Exercise 6, Close Grip Barbell Row. This exercise targets your middle back and lats, giving you that strong and powerful back look. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and grip the barbell with a close, overhand grip. Bend at your hips to lean forward, keeping your back flat. Pull the barbell towards your lower chest while squeezing your shoulder blades together. For a defined middle back, aim for 4 sets of 8 to 10 repetitions. Rest for 60 to 75 seconds between sets. Exercise 7, Pull UPS. This bodyweight exercise is a fantastic way to build overall back strength and width. Grasp the pull-up bar with an overhand grip, hands shoulder width apart. Hang with your arms fully extended, and then pull yourself up until your chin is above the bar. Lower yourself back down with control. To master the pull-ups, perform 3 sets of as many reps as you can. If you're just starting, aim for 6 to 8 reps, take 60 to 90 seconds of rest between sets. Congratulations! You now have a complete understanding of these back exercises, including the proper body positioning, sets, reps, and rest periods. Use this knowledge to design an effective back workout routine that suits your fitness level and goals. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with fellow fitness enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay strong, train hard, and remember that consistency is the key to achieving your fitness goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.